Hello, so I have not vlogged in a very long time, but today Brett and I, it's Sunday, we're just kind of out because Brett has this like massive style camera. So we're just kind of going for a drive and like filming stuff so we can use it and whatever. But we brought the dog, so it's like a little family day. We're at Brady's Lookout at the moment and then we're gonna go to Greens Beach, so that's what we're doing. We just got to Greens Beach. The dog is sooking because Brett just went outside to go to the toilet. But it's such a beautiful day here and I hope like it's not going to be too windy on the beach, but we'll see. Because this is a dog friendly beach, so Charlie's very excited. Charlie, are you being a good girl or a bad girl? Papa. No. Because they have these cute little huts. And we just did a mini photo shoot because I don't post on Instagram like ever, so needed some content. So we just got home and before we came home we stopped in at Officeworks. The reason being, for the past 2 weeks I have had the idea of buying pastel highlighters stuck in my head and I just cannot get it out, so I decided to buy some. These were the only ones there. They're not the ones I wanted to get, but they're the only ones I had in stock, so I bought those. And then I also bought a pack of these like fine liner felt tip pen things because I did have one and it's gone missing and they're like my favorite thing to write with at home, so I got that. And then I just got this notebook, which I like this notebook because it's like the pages have spots on them rather than lines or being blank. I don't know, I just find it really quite satisfying. So yeah, that's my little Officeworks haul. Pretty excited to try these. I'm filming them fall asleep.
Why?
Because it's cute. Pop! Don't!
Top of the episode. Welcome back to the podcast. Roll the intro music.
Hey everyone, so I haven't uploaded a video in a long time for a number of reasons, but you don't care about that. Very, very short version is that a lot of shit at work. What? A lot of shit at work changed and I have been working flat out and running myself down, and I've been sick like 2 or 3 times in the last 3 weeks. Yay! But I don't know, I have filmed clips of like different days, or I think maybe just one day, maybe 1 or 2 days in the last couple of weeks, so I will either have already inserted that footage, I'll insert it now, but I'm back today with a vengeance, I suppose. I feel like I do this all the time, but you know what, YouTube is a hobby for me. It's like a little side passion project, and when I'm not feeling it, I'm not feeling it. And when I literally don't have time, I can't do anything about that. My life has been very hectic the last few weeks, and there is nothing I can do about it. What's happening at work is only temporarily, what's happening at my job is only temporary, but it is taking up a lot of my time and energy and my health. But anyway, I thought I'd vlog again this weekend and include the clips I already had vlogged. And also, I'm hopefully filming at least 2 other videos. I planned one half this morning and just set up ready to film it, but the sun's in a weird spot, so I have to do that this afternoon. But yeah, I just thought I'd intro this vlog. I am still in my, you know, home clothes because I'm not going out anywhere for another like 2 hours. So, and it's cold. It's very cold. You can probably hear Charlie's footsteps going around everywhere. So I just want to say, hey, sorry that I haven't been around. I suck, I know, but I'm back today and hopefully Charlie just got stuck in the blinds. You're an idiot. And you know, I'm hoping to be here more regularly, but I can't make any promises, blah blah blah. Yay. But anyway, thank you guys for sticking around, for watching this video. I'm gonna finish my little rant and rave and excuse here and get on with the rest of the day. Oh my god, we match. So I just went and met Ali and had a quick coffee and chips, and now I'm in town just about to meet my sister-in-law Jenna to organise something. I can't show you just in case the person who's not meant to see it sees it. So I will see you guys in a bit. I just got home, well, we just got home because Charlie was at my sister's while I was out. I was gonna go to the supermarket. That didn't happen because I did like 3 laps of the car park and there was no parks. Well, parks that I wanted to park in. So then I ended up just going to an op shop randomly. I picked up 3 things. So I think the last 3 trips I've done, I've managed to pick up like enough to do a haul. So I might do a haul. I probably won't film that. Probably won't film that till tomorrow though. Well, I won't film that till tomorrow though. It's like just past 3 or something and it's starting to do that thing. It's like that time of year where this time, Charlie, stop. It's like just past 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's starting to cool off and get dark, and I'm just in a long sleeve top and I'm starting to really get cold. So I think I might even just like get changed now into like comfy clothes again. But yeah, before I do that, this morning when I was like planning videos and stuff, I also wrote a to-do list. It was kind of mostly for today, but I was being a bit ambitious, so I'm gonna make it the whole weekend. So this is what's on the to-do list. Make a new YouTube intro. I've got an idea for that, so I haven't done that yet. Go see Jenna, done that. Groceries, petrol, get some money out that I have to give to my dad. See Selena. Plan and film a style video, go to the op shop, so that is something I wanted to do, and go see Ali. So I'm gonna highlight the things I've done. So yeah, anyway, I think I'm just going to put on some comfort. What are you growling at? Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I actually like changed the lounge room around a couple weeks ago. So now we take up the whole lounge room with like the couch and TV rather than just like having this random little side bit. Can you please just stop? Because I really don't like it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna might make myself a little snack and a cup of tea and kind of just watch some YouTube videos and chill out for a little bit before I decide what I'm gonna do with the rest of the day. Even though by the time I do that, it's gonna be like nighttime almost, so. Yeah, I don't know what time Brett's gonna be home or if he's gonna be home for tea or anything. He did have plans to go out, but I don't know if he's still going or not, so. I don't really know what I'm doing. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Yay. Love my life. Could go to Kmart tonight. I want to buy some more lipstick. Now I'm just talking for the sake of talking. I will see you guys when I'm doing something a bit more interesting. robber. It's going to be so much safer, and now we can actually start doing all the stuff that we need to do and spend all of the money that we need to spend to get it back to, you know, working order, and for me, making it look nice and pretty on the inside pretty much. So yeah, it's Sunday and that's what we're doing. There it is. So it is now 3:30 exactly in the afternoon. I've got myself a plate of nachos as kind of like dinner, I guess. I don't know, I haven't really eaten like a proper meal today. I just keep snacking. Anyway, so I thought I would end the vlog here. It's already pretty long for me, I think. But yeah, we just went and picked up our caravan, and so that is gonna take over kind of our lives for the next few months, fixing all the stuff and whatever that needs to be fixed. Spending a lot of money, but you gotta do it, you know. So yeah, I'm just going through my weekend plan thing, and I was able to tick off a couple more things off my to-do list. There is one thing I won't be able to get ticked off because I transferred money from one account to the other and it hasn't transferred yet, so I won't be able to get the money out that I need to get out until tomorrow, but that's okay. I actually like rearranged my office today to film a video which I'm gonna edit tonight. And I actually kind of like it. Like the rug's like askew, and I never thought to do that, but it's like it and I really like it. So I'm gonna leave it like that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be a new video coming out this week, and then hopefully every week after that. Fingers crossed. But yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's just @beceldrup, and I'll see you guys in the next one.